Google has quietly rolled out a trio of Chrome features designed to make everyday browsing feel less like juggling tabs and more like getting work done. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The update is focused on productivity with tools that help you multitask, manage documents, and move files into Google Drive without leaving the browser. According to Google, it introduces split view, built-in PDF annotations, and a new Save to Google Drive option. Google says these features are meant to help users focus, collaborate, and get things done more quickly. The showstopper is the split view. Chrome can now display two tabs side by side in the same window, turning the browser into a co-workspace. This makes it easier to compare documents, research while writing, or keep a reference page open without constantly switching tabs. The second upgrade targets the PDFs. Chrome already lets you open them, but now you can annotate them directly in the browser. That includes highlighting text, adding comments, and marking files before sharing them with others. Instead of downloading a PDF, opening another app, and then re-uploading the file, the entire thing can now happen in Chrome. The third feature connects Chrome with Google Drive, giving you a built-in option to save files and screenshots directly to Drive without extra steps. It sounds small, but it removes one of those repetitive tasks that quietly eat away your day. All these updates show how Chrome's becoming more than a simple web browser. While competitors are toying with AI browsers, Google is focused on making Chrome more productive by adding multitasking and document editing features directly into Chrome. If Chrome is already where most of your work happens, these updates might make it even harder to leave. For more tech updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.